Good afternoon. Today we will see how to change Samsung Galaxy S9 back glass. We'll start to give the device some heat to be easy when we take the back glass out. We'll start to take the back glass slowly. We need to be very carefully about the fingerprint. We save the fingerprint, and now we need to clean all this edge from the dirty and the old glue. We'll start cleaning from here. Now after we clean the dirty and the old glue, we can glue the new back glass. We can put the fingerprint back. And now we can put the new back glass. After that we have to leave it in the heat a little bit, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Thank you for watching my video.